Have you ever said something to a friend and suddenly they looked very upset or angry? You didn't mean to hurt them, but you touched on a sensitive topic. In English, we call this striking a nerve. It happens to everyone. Understanding this idiom will help you be a better, more sensitive communicator. Let's explore what it means. Let's look at a funny mix-up. Meet Tom. Tom thought strike a nerve meant hitting his funny bone against a table. He told his doctor, "I struck a nerve in my elbow." The doctor laughed and said, "Tom, that is your funny bone. Striking a nerve is about feelings, not elbows." Poor Tom was so confused. So, what does strike a nerve actually mean? It means to mention a subject that makes someone feel angry, upset, or embarrassed. It is usually a personal or sensitive topic. It's figurative, meaning it's about emotions, not your actual physical nerves. Here is the correct way to use it. Sarah asked John about his old job. She didn't know he was fired. John went quiet and looked sad. Sarah realized her mistake. She thought, "Oh no, I struck a nerve." She quickly changed the topic to something happier. She understood that she had accidentally upset him. Let's practice with some sentences. Number 1. I think I struck a nerve when I asked about his grades. This means the topic of grades made him upset. Number 2. The news report struck a nerve with the public. This means the news story made many people feel a strong emotion. Here are 2 more examples to help you practice. Number 3. Don't talk about politics at dinner. You might strike a nerve with Uncle Bob. This means Uncle Bob is sensitive about politics. Number 4. Her comments about the environment struck a nerve with the young students. This implies the students cared deeply and reacted strongly. How can you remember this? Imagine a dentist touching a sensitive tooth. Ouch! That instant pain is like striking a nerve. When you touch a sensitive topic, the other person feels that sudden emotional ouch. Here are some fun facts. This idiom comes from medicine. Doctors and dentists know that touching a real nerve causes pain. Culturally, it shows we value empathy. In pop culture, you might hear this in movies when a detective asks a suspect a question that makes them angry. It shows the detective found a secret. Let's learn similar phrases. Touch a sore spot is very similar. It means to talk about something painful. Hit close to home means a topic is personally relatable. An opposite phrase is break the ice, which means to make people comfortable, not upset. Related is walking on eggshells, which means being very careful not to strike a nerve. Watch out for mistakes. Don't say strike a nervous. It is strike a nerve. Also, don't use it for physical pain, like hitting your toe. Use it for emotional topics only. Remember, it's about feelings, not bodies. Time for a quiz. Question 1. Which situation fits strike a nerve? A. Hitting your elbow. B. Asking a sensitive question that upsets someone. C. Feeling nervous before a test. The answer is B. Asking a sensitive question. Did you get it right? Let's try one more. Question 2. If you are walking on eggshells, why are you doing it? A. Because the floor is dirty. B. To avoid striking a nerve. C. To make an omelet. The answer is B. You are being careful to avoid striking a nerve. Good job. To recap, strike a nerve means to upset someone by mentioning a sensitive topic. Understanding this helps you be a kind friend. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, or send a hype if available. What strikes a nerve with you? Tell us in the comments. See you next time.